Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Oak Grove. This project we have, it's essentially our 4-step full scope foundation repair project. We have this back wall of the home that we are just in the process of finishing up the straightening of that. We have 6 King Pier 2s we're going to be installing under the footing from the outside in the trench that we dug to relieve the exterior pressure causing the wall to lean inward in the first place. And then we have 10 4-inch steel H-beam wall braces that we're going to be installing along this wall to ensure that it remains vertical. And then obviously the epoxy injection repairs that we're going to be doing prior to getting those wall braces set. So here later today we should be getting the piers installed. We'll take a quick look out there right now. We're also doing some work on getting this little wing wall pushed back. You can see the gap right here. This is just from pushing this wall back. It's severely leaning in. So you can see the cracking right here going on. So there was a lot of issues with this house. So we're getting everything back where it needs to go. So, and yeah, just to give a brief overview of this kind of repair. So for any kind of project like this, the first step is always the excavation on the exterior of the wall. That pressure from the earth is what is causing that wall to lean inward in the first place. So we simply excavate down. This was a fairly short dig for one of these projects. It's usually a lot longer. But we were able to get through this pretty quickly, and now once that dirt is excavated, we can very easily, and if you've seen any of our previous videos, simple combination of 6x6 treated wood support posts, 30-ton bottle jacks, and 90-degree angle iron, and we just slowly tilt the wall back to vertical. And then again, those wall braces are what's going to keep the wall vertical. And then the King Pier 2s that we're going to be installing here later today, that is going to ensure the footing that you see right here, that footing that the wall is set upon, the piers ensure that that is at its correct level elevation. So we're not only straightening the wall to vertical, we are raising the footing to ensure that that footing is fully supported to hold the newly vertical wall. So still got a bit of work out here. We should be able to get concrete out here to encase the piers tomorrow, and then we'll just spend the rest of the week getting the cracks sealed, the wall braces installed, and the dirt backfilled, and that should be it for us out here in Oak Grove. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on YouTube and Facebook. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.